Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an error message on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer that shows security health sys3.exe bad image error. Health SSO.dll is either not designed to run on a Windows or it contains an error. Try installing the program again using the original installation media or contact your system administrator or the software vendor for support with the error status 0xC000012F. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu. And then dito sa search for apps ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter tong command keyword na rigs sbr32 space / u space security health sso.dll. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, next step ay i-paste natin dito. Okay, so paste. And then, press mo lang yung enter. And then, click mo lang dito yung okay. And then, the other one, na command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter, ay enter lang natin ang reg sbr32 space security health sso.dll. So, copy ulit natin yan. And then, paste natin dito. Okay? And then press mo lang yung enter. And then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay enter lang natin ang dsm space / online space / image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And then next step, so same procedure, paste mo lang dito. So paste and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na deployment, image, servicings, and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Ayan, so makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay type mo lang yung sfc space / scan now. So in all is more later lahat and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. So, ang next step na ating gagawin ay close mo lang itong CMD and then dito na sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po ka-simply on how to fix security health sys3.exe bad image error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.